Making sense of the WPS button on your router.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of that often overlooked button on your router, the WPS button. This is a powerful feature that can simplify your online experience significantly. Let's jump right into it.
What is the WPS button?
WPS stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It's a security standard that makes it easier and faster to connect your wireless devices to your Wi-Fi network without having to enter your Wi-Fi password. The WPS button is typically found on the back or side of your router. It may be labeled as WPS or represented with a symbol that looks like two curved arrows forming a circle.
How does the WPS button work?
When you press the WPS button on your router, it goes into a discovery mode. In this mode, the router is actively looking for devices that are trying to connect. The discovery mode typically lasts for a few minutes, during which you can connect your wireless device to the network. This is done by selecting the option to connect via WPS in your device's Wi-Fi settings. Once your device and router acknowledge each other, they automatically exchange the network credentials and your device gets connected to your Wi-Fi network. This eliminates the need to manually enter your Wi-Fi password. It's worth noting that the exact process may vary slightly depending on the specific make and model of your router and the device you're trying to connect.
How do I use the WPS button?
To use the WPS button to connect a device to your network, follow these general steps. 1. Ensure your Wi-Fi is enabled and that you are in range of your router. 2. Press the WPS button on your router. 3. On your device, go to your Wi-Fi settings. 4. Look for an option to connect via WPS. It might be labeled as WPS push button or something similar. 5. Select this option and your device will begin searching for your router. 6. Once they find each other, your device will automatically connect to your network. Remember, your router stays in discovery mode only for a few minutes, so you'll want to begin the process on your device soon after you press the WPS button on your router. In summary, the WPS button on your router is a handy feature that makes connecting your wireless devices to your Wi-Fi network quick and hassle-free. It's a real-time saver that sidesteps the need to remember or enter your Wi-Fi password every time you want to connect a new device. We hope you found this guide useful and that you're now ready to start taking full advantage of the WPS feature on your router. Happy browsing!